come out. You see? Nice. Nice. It's draining. It's draining. Nice.
Hello guys. I decided to make the simple video about how to change the oil and filter in motorbike, especially in this Honda VTR 1000. It's the simple thing to do, but many people never done it before. That's why maybe that video is gonna be like helpful. Before we do anything, we have to start the bike and let it running to make engine hot, to make the oil really hot, and then we can drain the oil better because it's gonna be thinner. Okay, first of all we're gonna start the bike and running for, I don't know, see 10 minutes until it's gonna get full temperature, and then we're gonna drain the oil and then we're gonna take the oil filter off. Alright, let's start. Okay, let's start the bike first. Let's start it, and then we're gonna wait until it's gonna be really hot. Okay, we got the motorbike really hot. The fan kicks in, which is mean the engine is really hot. Good thing to check as well the temperature by touching the engine. If it's hot, the oil cooling pipes, and you can touch the filter as well. If it's hot, it means this oil is hot as well. In this case, it's really hot.
Yeah, we got the draining plug over here. I think it's 12 mil socket, and it's really good because it's got on the side. When we got the bike on the side stand and the bike is leaning on our side, it's gonna drain the oil properly from there, which is good. Okay guys, now we got to find something like that flat thing, flat container, and we're gonna take the plug off. Yes, and turn by the tool, not by the fingers, because you can burn your fingers. Okay, and look, the oil gonna come out. You see? Nice. Nice. It's draining. It's draining. Nice. It's really dirty, that oil. I think nobody changed this like 2 years. Was sitting this bike in the barn for 2 years. The oil must be changed. And first of all, first drain the oil from the pan, and then take off the oil filter. No other way. Yeah. Nice. After you drain the oil, you can take some magnet and go around the oil and check if there's any metal pieces there. You're gonna see the condition of the engine. The best way to put new plug, which I haven't got with the magnet, and that magnet, every time you change the oil, collect all the metal flakes, the wear from the engine. That is a good idea. Let's this drain properly, and then we're gonna take the filter off. Now we're gonna need the tools like this, something like that, to take the filter off, because probably it's very tight. Have a look, and it's not even tight. It's okay. Let's take it off. Be careful because it's still probably hot. Okay. Okay. Now let this, give it like 10 minutes to drain all this oil properly from the engine. And Then we're gonna put new filter. Okay, I'll wait a little bit, something like 10 minutes maybe. And now I'm gonna put the new filter, take from the box. We got some plastic over there. Take this off. And then we have to put a little bit of oil inside, new oil. Okay. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil there. And spread this oil on the lid as well. That is good. And then okay, and then very quick, as quick as you can, just tie this in like that. Okay, like this, and remember, always tie by hand. Okay, now tie this by hand as strong you can do it. You can use some cloth, sorry, no glove. Tie this as much you can. Okay, that should be fine. And now we're gonna put back the plug, oil plug, to the pan, and then we're gonna put the new oil in. Okay. Now we're gonna put the plug back. If you got the new gasket, it's recommended to put new gasket. I haven't got, I put the old one. I think should be okay. And just tight it. Okay. The drain plug, oil drain plug, should be tightened by torque 29 Newton meters, which I'm gonna do now. Okay, that's it. Okay, now we're ready to put oil in. Take off the plug. Okay, find some funnel, small funnel. It's not gonna go too far in because it's the clutch there. And then we're gonna put the oil in. Honda's VTR, the oil capacity is like 3.7 liter without the oil filter, and 3.9 liter with the oil filter. Because we put a little bit of oil to the filter, first of all I'm gonna put like let's 3.5 liter, and then we're gonna check the level. And if it's level okay, we're gonna start it and we're gonna try to fill it up again. Alright, let's do it. That is slow process because that oil is thick because it's cold, and the funnel is small. It's gonna take time, but try to don't put too much oil. You know, check always on the bottle how many liters you put. Yeah, usually the bottle got like 4 liters, and then let's put the 3.5 liter first. We see the level. I already put like almost 3.7 the oil. Check the level. You have to put the bike a little bit straight. See, check is we got the half, which is okay. But now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the plug in and we're gonna start the bike. Then it's gonna fill it up, all the channels, oil channels, and the filter with oil. And then we're gonna check if it's no any leaks, especially from the oil filter. And then that's it, you know. Let's start the bike now.
oil light is gone, which is good sign. It's got the pressure. Now we're gonna check the leaks around. Okay, I switch off the bike.
And it's no any leaks from the plug or from the filter. And then we're gonna check the oil level again by straight up the bike. Okay, straight, but it's not enough the oil. We have to put a little bit oil. The best thing when it's like between minimum and maximum, and then it's fine, you can ride your bike. I fill it up the oil again, and like the manual state is exactly 3.9 liter. See, is in the middle, which is perfect. And now that's it, finish. Ride your bike now.